What's going on, everybody? So I'm Forrest, you're watching Ride, and today we're gonna see how far the Kona Electric can travel on one charge. Okay, so making a pit stop here in Los Angeles, we have gone 51.2 miles, 4.9 miles per kilowatt hour is what we're averaging, and we have 244 miles remaining. So if you do the math, that's closer to 290, so that's above what we saw in the first place. So that's pretty exciting. That's really exciting. If that's to be believed, and if we actually, according to the trip odometer, travel above 280, closer to 290, that puts it really close to a Model 3, and that would make this, other than Tesla, one of the second best range vehicles that's currently on sale. There are lots of other EVs claiming to go above 300, but we have yet to see an official above 100 EPA since the Model 3 came out. But other than that, guys, let's go ahead and keep driving and we'll see what this does.
All right, everyone, so the Kona is proving to be a very good car when it comes to range. It's doing a lot better than I thought. We've, according to the computer, we should easily surpass the 258 miles on the battery. Remember, this is just a 65 kilowatt hour lithium ion polymer battery. So the fact that it's getting the projected range that it says is pretty impressive, but once again, I'm gonna keep driving it until I see hard numbers to see what the actual trip odometer racks up once it gets to basically 0%. So we're gonna keep on going. It's nighttime, so I've driven about 5 hours, which is a long time. Most people will not drive that far in a day, so your daily commute is easily going to be taken care of in this car, but let's keep going and see just how far we can push this.
You guys are not gonna believe where I am right now. I'm literally on the side of the road because the car died. It died on me at 299.9 miles. There's like a battery symbol, and yeah, I mean the AC is still running, so that's cool. I still have cold air, and that's great considering it's getting hot in this car. But yeah, I'm literally like on this shoulder. But at least I have Hyundai roadside assistance on their way to get me, so I don't have to pay for a charge, or I don't have to pay for a tow, but they're gonna charge me to the, tow me to the charging station. Sorry, I cannot talk. But yeah, guys, so that's how far I was able to drive before it just straight up died on me. Yeah, so I thought I could make it. I'm literally like 2 exits away from the charging station, so the irony is just absolutely insane right now. But I'd say you could safely drive this about 280 to 290 miles. But if you go any further than that, once again, depending on how you drive, you are going to be in the same position I am.